Hello everyone, I'm back with a very fun unboxing that I'm so excited to actually dive into. I have kind of been a little MIA lately, but we had our house painted last week and I sat down to do a video, but they're redoing our deck, and I just figured you guys would rather not listen to all the banging and everything that was going on outside because it was loud and irritating. So I decided to skip last week, and here we are with a fun package to dive into. All right, I'm gonna take a sip of coffee because it's early. Okay, this package is from my sweet critique partner, Camille Myrick, who is on YouTube. I will post her channel down below. We decided to pair up together and be writing buddies and help keep each other accountable for our quarterly goals. And you guys, she has a poetry collection that is going to be launching in the next couple months, and it is amazing. I can go ahead and tell you guys that. Everyone, be prepared. You need it in your life. But anyways, we also thought it'd be fun to occasionally share writerly fun happy mail. So I'm gonna dive into this because this actually arrived yesterday and I decided to wait, which is very difficult for me because gifts are my love language. So the idea of waiting and not diving into it right away is very difficult. But I wanted you guys to get to share in this with me. Okay. I'm already getting so excited. Look at how cute that is. Okay, we're just gonna start pulling things out. All right, first up, scented green tea aloe mint scrub. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute. Okay, yay, I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, little wood letters, like little Scrabble ties. Hopefully this is gonna be focusing. Writing goals, today's attack plan. Okay, I'm totally gonna be using these in my passion planner. I can already tell you that. This is really awesome. It has your primary focus, and it has things like brainstorm, outline, research, write, edit, marketing, what really needs to happen, most likely will not happen, and rantings of a lunatic. This is perfect. I'm totally gonna use this in my passion planner and my journal. Okay. Oh my gosh, writer. Okay, I am obsessed with little bags. I have little bags everywhere for all the things. My kids make fun of me because in our junk drawer, I actually have zipper pouches for different types of pens and things, and they get frustrated because every time they try to open it, the drawer catches on some kind of pouch. Yay, and it says writer. Oh, I'm already getting so excited. This is my first writerly type. I don't have anything that actually says writer on it, so that's that's so exciting. A scarf, an infinity scarf. That is so pretty. That goes with my whole wildflower, wild, sexy life theme that is this year. So exciting. Okay, and I will definitely be using that. What is this? Friends Catching Strings. Sounds of the Stewart family. Aw, this is what it sounds like around our place all the time. That is so exciting. Look at this. Let me take that note off. How cute. And it's got guitar and songs. I cannot wait to play that. That's gonna be my new, what I write to. Stickers. Love the stickers. Typewriter stickers. Oh, and it says word count. I could actually keep track of my word count. Word count typewriter stickers. That is awesome. I love all the writerly stuff. A pomegranate crush face mask. I'm obsessed with face masks. I actually have some. I keep them in my fridge, so that's a tip, you guys. try putting your face mask just like this. Just throw it in the fridge, and then when you use it, it's amazing. So, and a pen, a cute wildflower pen. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna be journaling with that. That's gonna be my next one I pick for my empties, because you guys know that I try to like stick with one pen till it's gone, and then I grab another pen so I can get through pens. But isn't that cute? All about the wildflowers. There's a card here, but I'm actually, oh, I just read this one, so I know what's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Camille. She knows I love hats. Oh my gosh. And she just put the hat in. I had to pass it down to you, even if it isn't a baseball cap, because your girl likes some hats. And it doesn't matter if it's a baseball cap. I like all the hats. So I'm actually gonna put it on right now because it's just so stinking cute, and it's so stinking cold in here. Look at that. I mean, hello. I'm gonna get all like teary and emotional. There's a little card that I'm actually not gonna read on camera because I'm all about like that little personal touch. So I'm gonna save that. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my goodness. What is this? This is I Turn Coffee into Books. I don't know, the glare is gonna be I Turn Coffee into Books. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Camille, look at that. That's going right here on my desk. Camille, you outdid yourself. I am literally like, I'm like getting all teary. This is so special. Thank you so much, Camille. Okay. In addition to this unboxing, I also wanted to share a little bit about if you're looking for a critique partner, where to begin. And honestly, my biggest tip is, well, there's two. To find someone who has a similar life or life struggles as you. And so Camille and I are both writer mamas. So although we write full time, we also mom full time. We have kids that are here all the time. And so I was drawn to that in her. But number two is, if you find someone that inspires you online, who is a writer, on YouTube that is a writer, ask them. Just take the leap and ask them, because worst case, they either don't get back to you or they say no, and you're in the same place that you were before. So if you see that someone's writing something similar or not, I mean, I love poetry, and Camille is writing poetry. She's also doing, she's working on a novel. And this year I'm working on nonfiction. But just the lifestyle of being a writer mama drew me to her. And taking the leap and asking, I even put on there like, no pressure, but, would you like to think about it? And I can tell you that the more that we have talked, I have just made an amazing friend for life. So if you guys are looking for a critique partner or interested in learning more about critique partners, I would be happy to do some videos on that. But my biggest tip is find someone that inspires you, that is in a similar life path as you. Obviously, my kids are older than Camille. Camille has a sweet 5-month-old baby boy, but our everyday struggles are real and the same. So find someone that inspires you, and don't be afraid to reach out and connect with that person, because you just never know. And if Camille and I had not chatted on YouTube, like, we wouldn't be friends now, and it's just so special. Thank you so much, Camille, and thank you guys for being here to watch me unbox all this amazing, beautiful writing mail. And yeah, until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy life.